we're not even deep, but you know, it's something. Something. Oh, he said little brother. Then he disrespect you. Let me see what you're wearing. Ahí está. Let me see what you're wearing. Boom. But yeah, it's mad quiet, yo. Fucking Evo.
You know what? When that's what I'm looking at now, if you don't beat Scotty, you're not gonna be good.
Wait, yo, look.
maybe the real 368.
Shit. Damn, look at my shit. PRL, sponsor me, yo. My boy WRX. My boy SI. My boy Type ER. Type R, y'all. Damn. Oh shit, purring intercooler. Shit, I never seen that. That's the first one I seen. Shit look clean. But when I tool my car, we're gonna have a race again, a friendly race, and that will be posted soon. But yeah, like this video. Today about to be a movie, yo. Look at these cars. Boom, we got a Type R. Boom, boom, boom. Man, about to be a good one today. My boy with the taggy. We got WX right here, my boy Kenny, shout out. We got the Z crew right here. Dang. And PRL. My boy Type R. Damn, yo. Today, hopefully, be a movie, right? Damn, mad cars, yo. This is the ugliest car, though. Damn. Nah, this is the fucking movie today, yo. It's gonna be a race tonight. This one is filmed in Africa, yo. Film in Africa right here. I don't know if you guys know this place. Yeah. Looks like, hopefully, you race somebody, because I want you to race somebody, yo.
Somebody. Infinity guy tried to race.
Which one? The gray one?
He tried to do something. I don't know.
Well, yeah.
I don't think he knew I was turbo though.
I mean, don't even tell them nothing. Just go for it, bro.
What's up, bro? What's going on?
Man. We are packed with Taggy, 2SI, Type R, WX. But damn, yo. Holy shit.